Alright, good morning everybody. So we are at the Lowe's DNC here in Greensboro, North Carolina. So we're going to lot, or should I say, well this says lot D, but we're going to F11. So he said to go down here around the building. That's what we'll do. I changed my hat cam, so hopefully this will be better. Before it looked like I was too high, but I put my seat down a little bit more, so this always seemed like I was a little high. So they said we got to go in the shipping office afterwards, drop off the paperwork, so that's what we'll do.
Through routing for trucks is prohibited or not advised.
And turn that down. I should have filmed when I was coming in here. It's crazy. I went down the GPS said go down this Callahan Street, and I went down it and there was a sign that said no trucks, and it was all like a housing development type of thing. I'm like, what the heck? And I know I've been here before, so I don't know what happened to my GPS, but it was pretty messed up. Anyways, so I had to go to Google to see where this place was. So I put on Google, and actually what it was is the GPS was putting me like behind this place here, like back in these trees here or something. And I'm like, what the heck? So I had to go down, do a straight back on the street. It was a dead-end street too. And I got myself out, and then I came down there, and I've been here before, like I said. Now I was coming down the backside getting into this place, and it's where when I left this place before it said don't turn right because trucks aren't routed through there, but somehow I made it through here. But anyways, I'm surprised they didn't have a sign down here for F11 to go back here, but they did say around the back of the building. So let's see, it says F11. Okay, so let's see. F3, 4, 5. Alright, 6, 7. F11 is right here. That's where they want it. So basically what we're going to do, put it in this spot here. We don't have a lot of room, but we're going to pull forward just past this trailer here. Not as straight as I want to be. And then we'll start turning full right. Give ourselves enough room here. Go full left, because we won't be able to swing the tractor around. Alright, so now start going backwards here. Take her slow. Don't want to hit that curb over there. Right now we're just trying to get our tandems into that hole right there. Without hitting another trailer. This can be kind of tight. Pretty close. But we'll get her in. Sometimes you got to get really close like that. Now what I'll do is I'll pull up and straighten her out. Just kind of do a S-turn here. So I want to get her over to the right more. That's good enough. I'll straighten her out now. Put her in the spot. Get the tandems right up close to that line. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure that our landing gear is going to land on that concrete. Because if it's hot outside, my landing gear would sink into the asphalt. So I'll make sure that I'm right on that. Alright, that's good right about there. Alright. Pull the air brakes. Set ourselves back on off duty. Alright, let's go disconnect. This is where you want it to be, right on this concrete. Ugh, water in there, forgot about that. I always put it down all the way and then I kind of crank it back just a quarter turn. Okay. I'm gonna go pick up an empty out front, so I'm just gonna leave these here. They won't go anywhere. All right, so now I'm gonna release the fifth wheel kingpin. Hold that in, and on a dash it says kingpin released. Now we're gonna slowly just put the tractor brake, turn the tractor brakes off, and slowly pull forward, and it should disconnect right from the trailer. There she goes. Okay.